Welcome to the Credolab Behavioral Module Integration tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the simple process of integrating the behavioral module into your iOS application. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully integrated behavioral module. Let's get started. The behavioral module collects metadata on the user's in-app behavior, including touches, text inputs, pans, input focuses, and etc. Let's see how to integrate the behavioral module into our application step by step. First, let's update CocoaPods file in your project. Open the Finder. Open pod file in your project folder. Next, open docs.credolab.com in your browser, select iOS SDK and go to the integration page. In the Declare Dependency section, copy the behavioral module declaration. Back to pod file and paste copied dependency. Navigate back to the document and copy the version relevant to this module. Replace XYZ with this version. Open the terminal window at the pod file level and execute the pod install command. Once it is done, jump to Xcode Studio to integrate the behavioral module. To start collecting the user's behavioral data, you need to call the collectStart method of the behavioral module's static instance. You can initiate this tracking either at the beginning of the app or for a particular screen. We'll explore both approaches. First, let's see how to start tracking when the app is launched. Open AppDelegate class that acts as the entry point for your app. Import Credolab behavioral module. In the body of the application method, call the Start Tracking method on the behavioral module instance. Once the app launches, the module starts tracking user behavior. Next, let's move to the ViewController class to see how we can alternatively start tracking behavioral data for a specific controller. Import Credolab behavioral module. In the ViewDidLoad method, invoke the Start Tracking method on the behavioral module instance. Please note that once you call the Start Tracking function, behavioral data is collected until the app is closed or the Stop Tracking function is called. This means you do not need to call the Start Tracking function on each screen. Calling it once is sufficient. To complete, the behavioral module needs to be added to the Credolab service builder. Go to the Collect method body and invoke the Add Module method, passing an instance of the behavioral module. Now, you can launch the application and upload the dataset containing behavioral data. For successful integration, we strongly recommend assigning the accessibility identifier attributes to emphasize a specific logical control or element that holds significance within the user flow of your app. It is essential for maximizing the effectiveness of integrating the behavioral module into your application. Descriptive IDs allow differentiating user interactions with various UI elements and provides a clear picture of user behavior. Let's add the appropriate ID attribute to the Collect button. Open the main storyboard interface builder and select Button. Open Identity Inspector. In the User-Defined Runtime Attributes area, click the plus button. Replace KeyPath with Accessibility Identifier. Change the type to string. Set the meaningful ID value. In our case, it is Submit button. By making this a standard practice, you ensure that your integration with the behavioral module is both effective and beneficial. This is all for now. Please check out our other tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our team.